Welcome back to Ayaz Tech. My name is Ayaz Zafar. In this video, I am going to show you how to create custom toggle button with the help of CSS. So this would be fully animated and uh, purely made in CSS. I will not use any JavaScript to make it. So this is how it will look like. So when it is unchecked, then this will look like this. And if you click on this, then it will change it shape to look like this, and you can see everything is animated, and we are using a beautiful transition here. So let's begin. Let's create a new file, and let's add some basic HTML code. And now here I'm going to add input type checkbox, and let's preview it in the browser. So this is a checkbox right now here. I want to bring it in the middle vertically and horizontally. So I need to add some styles to the parent element. So to the container, let's add display flex. Actually, before container, we need to add HTML, body, and we need to add width 100%, height 100%, and we need width and height for the container 100% as well. And now let's add display flex and align center and this and word justify content center. So let's see. Okay, you can see that now checkbox is in the middle. Okay, going to add the font family. Next, we need to add some styles to this checkbox. We need to change the styling, default styling of this checkbox. Actually, let's change the styling directly from the inspect element. Then we will copy the style from the inspect element and paste it back to the code. So I remove the appearance to none, and now I'm going to add width 500 pixels maybe, and height 50 pixels, and border 1 pixel, solid light gray, and border radius 50%. No, 50% is not good. And 40 pixels, yeah, it is great. We need to add margin right, and let's add some box shadow. Okay, now I'm going to copy this style that I create, these styles that I created here, and I will uh, replace it here. And okay, now work. Actually, I added incorrect spelling. That is why it was not working. Now it is working. Okay. Now we need to change the background color of this checkbox if it is checked. So let's try that. You can see that the color of checkbox is changed. Uh, but let's see some better color than this one. Let's try this one and see how it looks like. Okay, better. So you can see that when it is checked, then color background color is changed, but it is sudden. We need an animation so that it can be changed with the transition. So for that, we need to add the transition here, 0.4 S. Let's try. You can see that now the color is being changed very smoothly. We also need a cursor icon instead of the pointer icons for that. We need the pointer, the hand icon when you hover your mouse over there. So let's add cursor pointer, and you can see that now we have the cursor icon. Uh, there is an outline around it that is looking very bad. I'm going to remove that. Yeah, that was actually border, not outline. So, okay. So maybe we need to improve the box shadow because now we remove the border and now it's not looking great. Okay, so let's try this code. I'm going to copy all of this code again and I will paste it here. Okay, now you can see that it is being changed. Now we need a handle here in the inside of this container of the checkbox. So to create an handle, I would use a pseudo selector that is after, and here I will add content empty and I will make it display block, and let's add some width 50 pixels and height 2 pixels and border 1 pixel solid. Let's see. Okay, now we need border radius 50% so that we can make it circle. You can see that now we have a circle here, but it should be a little bit larger than the height of this one. So I can transform it and I will add 1.1. Let's see. It is little bigger than the container now. Now I'm going to add uh, background color. Okay. So whenever it is checked, it should be slide to the right side. So I'm going to add transition to this pseudo selector, and now whenever checkbox is checked, then this pseudo selector element should be moved to the right side. As we added position absolute, so we should add the position relative to the parent, and this is the parent of the pseudo selector. Okay, now here I will add left auto, actually left unset, and right 0 pixels. Let's see. Okay, it is changing the position, but it is still not smooth. So let's try some further changes here. Ease in out, and let's see if that works or not. Uh, it is still sudden. Hmm. Maybe instead of the position absolute, maybe we should try the transform. Let's try the transform directly from the inspect element to see how it works for us. Yeah, this is better. So I will add transform, translate x. X mean you are translating that element horizontally. And I will add 100%, and let's see. And also I want to change the background color to white. You can see that it is moving with the animation. So that is looking great. And hmm, okay, actually, when we add this transformation, then it replaces the scale one, and it removes the scale transformation. So we need to keep both transformations. So I will just add it like this. Uh, yeah, now it's fine. We should also add some box shadow. All right, you can see that now we have a fully functional custom made toggle button. So it is working perfectly now. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. So if you liked my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon, and also like, share, and comment on my video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.